So the chopped onion on the bottom of the feet is great for nighttime coughing. The beauty of the garlic, it's just a lovely side for a little baby and also a little one through the day. Of course, you couldn't put onion on the bottom of their feet and send them off to play. They could hardly walk. But the onion on the bottom of the feet, and again, the onion can touch the feet. It will never blister. The whole room might smell like onion, but the good news is everyone will sleep because there's not coughing all night. You can also make an onion syrup. And to make the onion cough syrup, you get a jar, and then you put in the jar, you put a layer of chopped onion. So here's chopped onion, and what you're going to do is you're probably about a ½ an inch of chopped onion, and then a teaspoon of honey. There's the honey, and then another layer of chopped onion. And you fill the whole jar up until there's no more onion left, or you can't fit any more in the jar. So the jar will basically look like that. Layers of chopped onion and honey until you've topped the jar. And what I do when I'm making this, on the very top, I'll often put 2 teaspoons of honey. And you let it sit, and ideally you let it sit for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, this is what it will look like. You'll have all the onion will basically have fallen to the bottom like that, and the onion cough syrup will be like a thin, almost water. When you put the honey in, it was thick and sticky, but the onion cough syrup is thin, almost like water, an amber colour. And you strain the onion out and throw the onion away. All the goodies from the onion has gone into the honey, and you're probably left with about this much onion syrup. And it will keep in the fridge indefinitely. So what's the dose? For an adult, it might be 3 teaspoons a day. For a child, it might be ½ a teaspoon a day. For a little 2-year-old, you might just do maybe even ¼ a teaspoon. For a baby, just put your finger in it and just put 1 dot on their tongue. And one mother said to me, "But the authorities say that you should not give honey to babies." Have you heard that?
No.
Don't know why. Do you know why? Well, we're not going to give them a whole teaspoon. It's just a little dot on their tongue.